Hello, this is still Peter of EL-6303 probability for homework 3. Now we are going to continue on question 2. Alright, so question A, find and draw Fy, y, and Fx. And we're going to find Fx first, because it's more straightforward. Because we already know that the x is uniform in A and B, so actually the amount or the height of the x is 1 over B minus A, right? So we can get right? And we just make integrate. So it's really easy to find out fx is actually the 3 parts. 0, 1 over b minus a times x minus a, and 1. Right, and the graphic of fx is just like no y side. Actually, we have know that whether a and b is larger or not. So a is b is wrong. All right. So pretty straightforward. Oh, sorry, I missed the x label. Well, anyway. And okay, to find fy. Okay, fy. So y is actually x squared. So actually it depends. So when y is less than 1, if y were less than 1, x will have no value, because the root of the square, actually the inside must larger than or not less than 0. So actually fy will be 0. Well, a larger fy will be 0. So actually the lower y, lower f will also be 0. So actually there's nothing to discuss, nothing to debate. And if y is not less than 0, so x squared less than not larger than y, and which can get results of minus square y, x all between minus square y and square y, right? And fy will be fx square y minus fx minus square y. Okay, now if we make a derivation to find the lower, actually the CDF, the previous one is actually PDF, so we want to calculate CDF. So it'll be 1 okay, and here we have to make some we need to discuss, because the value of a and b is uncertain. So if a is larger than 0 or b is smaller than 0, let's discuss that, because if a is larger than 0, b is also must larger than 0. Yeah, because a must larger than a, b must larger than a, and similar, if b is less than 0, a must be less than 0. So what will be your result? the result is, let me think. So we can see the x label. All value is on just on either side of the 0, right? So actually, the f hold on, the fy yeah, at the square y can only be one side. Alright, so actually minimum a square b square, maximum a square b square, otherwise right? Yeah, because the inside the duration the inside the how to say the original square y or minus square y, can only one be exist, because the range of the range is on either side of the 0 on the x label, so only one can be exist. So it's just 1 over 2b minus square b minus a square y. All right, but if is this a 0 or and not or sorry, correction, and b is larger than 1, so actually the range a and b will cover 0. So actually it will exist on both sides, and the situation will be a little bit more complex. Okay. B square otherwise. Okay. Alright. So what are the graphics of these two situations? So for first one, let's say let's use another color. Yeah, see that? Yeah, the left hand will be a square or b square, depends on which is smaller, and the right part will be I square or b square as well, or it depends on which one is larger. Alright. And for second situation, we get this one will be half, and this one will be 0. Okay. Alright, see that? So still, the left and the right side of this line, this broken line. So it depends on whether a square is larger or b square is larger. If a square is smaller, b square is larger, so we'll be put a square on the left side and b square on the right side. Okay. So now we'll finish question A. Now let's say question B. Now given A is minus 1, B is 3, now draw Fy and draw Fy and find Ey. Alright, that's actually the situation of this second situation of our question A. Now press reward. So Fy will be just one. Alright, and the graphic, oh dear, I hate to draw it. So let's say this is 1, this is 9, F1, I have to draw like this. Kind of, right? Broken out between 1 and 9, and number value is 1 over 4 and 1 over 8. And if we want to find the PDF, right? Sorry, the PDF. So we just make integration. But be careful, cause actually it's actually there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. But actually you don't know the first part and last part is very pretty easy. It's 0 and 1, and so the only 2 parts is which needs necessary integration. It's the middle 2 part. Okay, and the second part. Right. In the second file, don't forget to plus the cumulative number, the cumulative results on first one. So finally, the PDF will be 0. I hate to do a calculation. Okay, and graphic. This is 9. It's just one color. First is all 0, and rise a little bit, and smoothly, and equals to 1. So after f is after y is larger than 9, there will be all 1. Okay. Hey, wait, what's the line for? Oh, anyway. And this is 2. So that's technically that's the answer of question 2. Okay. See you next time.